to be making fried rice. So should I be facing? This video is for all those, you know, those people that just assume that fine girls cannot cook just because they don't look like they should be in the kitchen. I'm going to shock you guys. I have my basmati rice here. Okay, not normal basmati rice. It's like the very slim tiny rice. Ever since I started eating this, I'm bougie, quite bougie. While listening to some Niger throwback music. You guys know I like to dance anyway, so I have energy. If I get carried away and I'm just dancing, I'm not showing you guys the process, I'll just type it in the description box. Okay, we're jumping right into the video. Right now, I'm going to pour some rice into the pot. This is funny to me, like this whole setup. So I don't do all that measure cup thing. I just pour it in here really. If I feel like it's enough. If that even makes sense.
If I die now, say when I die, each one today. When you dare bring me so more, you let me see I go down so like go. Let me say I never show you say I dare will. And I'm
tell me something where I know fit do. You're ready, calling your level. Feeling me more, just in the one. Yahoo's the head
I'm getting so freaking hot right now. I'm boiling the rice, I'm frying my turkey and chicken. I drained the rice. This is an empty pot. We're going to pour this oatmeal in here.
Boy, I lead there so.
MG baby.